What's up guys, I'm back with another Ruckus video. Today I'm here at Slide Performance, our drift shop. This is probably the first time the shop has actually seen a bike like this before. We're used to working on things with four wheels that go sideways, but this should be a fun little change for once. Today, we're not so much focused on speed, but we're actually here for looks. So what we're working on today is we're getting rid of all this plastic floorboard and we're replacing it with this. We've got ourselves a new gas tank cover with some pretty cool billet side steps. We've got some pegs, so we got somewhere to put our feet rather than the floorboard. We got some washers over here, and we got ourselves a frame guard over here for the front of the bike. So let's turn off the helmet cam and get over to the nice camera and start working.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
For some reason the microphone didn't work during this clip, but I'm basically going over everything we just did. Talking about the gas tank cover and the side steps, how nice they came out. I'm also talking about the wiring and how I need to cover that with some split loom. I also want to paint the frame all black to match, which will look really good in the end. And the pegs came out really cool too. Moving over to the other side of the bike, you can see the frame guard in the front, which you're never really going to see, but I think is a nice little touch. But overall, I think it came out really good. So I'll see you guys in the next one.